and today I'm making something called a Dole Whip. Now a Dole Whip is a pineapple soft serve ice cream. They sell them in Disney World, which if they didn't, I don't know why I'd be wearing all these things. So Dole Whips come in all different flavors. You can have it a pineapple soft serve swirled with a lemon soft serve. You can have it just pineapple. And you can have it lime instead of pineapple swirled with the vanilla. You can also have it as a float with pineapple in pineapple juice. Dole Whips are so good. They are so refreshing on hot days, which is perfect because Magic Kingdom is in Florida and Florida is really hot. So today, since we can't have a Dole Whip from Magic Kingdom right now because we don't have Magic Kingdom or any of the other places they sell them, we are going to make them here today in my home. So let's get started. Well, I'm going to need some frozen pineapple, salt, and a lemon. And now I'm going to grab some milk. But if you're vegan, you can use some almond milk and some sugar. So I'm just going to cut up this lemon in half. So I'm just going to squeeze the juice of a half of a lemon into my blender. Try not to get too many seeds in there or any seeds. And now we're going to add 2 cups of pineapple in it. First thing you do is you take canned pineapple, store-bought, you strain it out, put it in a plastic bag and freeze it till it's completely frozen. And 2 cups is a can. So I'm just going to open this up and I'm going to stick it in my blender with lemon juice. It's cold. It's so cold. Hopefully that's good because my hands. And now we're going to take some salt and we're going to just put a pinch of it in. And if you don't know, a pinch is just, you don't measure, it's just about that much. Just sprinkle into your hand and you stick it in with everything else. And now I'm going to take some milk. And again, if you're vegan, just go ahead and do some almond milk. And I'm going to do a 1/4 cup of milk. Put this in with everything else. And now I'm going to get some sugar, and I'm going to put it in there. I'm just going to put 2 tablespoons of sugar into the blender with everything else. And this is our last ingredient. This is a 5-ingredient recipe. So it's very easy to make and to buy. I'm going to stick my lid on top. Make sure it is sealed. And this thing is not up, this is sealed. Everything's sealed, and I'm going to make sure it's plugged in, power, and I'm going to pulse this, and then I'm going to put it on high and let it blend until it's completely done. This is not turning quite right. I've never made this before, and it's just not the right consistency of ice cream. It's more like shredded pineapple. So I'm just going to add a 1/4 cup more milk, see if this helps, and hopefully it does. Let's see how it looks. It looks perfect. Okay, so I'm going to take this off and I'm going to pour it into my Disney mug. So it is in my mug, and now it's time to taste test. So let's go ahead and taste it. That's good. It doesn't taste exactly like Disney's version of a Dole Whip, but it tastes like pineapple and it tastes like ice cream. So you can call it a Dole Whip. It's really good. Well, that's it for me. Now it's your turn.